This video shows how the Asset Manager can add new insurance details in Pilim and set the start and end dates. Let's start.
Click Add Insurance in the Insurance Management. Fill the insurance details, enter insurance name. Enter organization name. Select start date. Enter subscriber name. Select end date. Select insurance category. Enter description. Enter subscriber email address. Click on Save. Insurance has been saved successfully. Go to Documents and select Document Type and upload insurance document. Click Save Document. Added successfully.
Notifications by email will be sent 4 months before end date to remind the responsible to renew or cancel insurance. Same notifications are sent regularly 4 times before end dates. We have similar functionalities for license management, assets management, and rental management.